बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। I am Humaira Arshad with lecture in Agile Software Engineering. Today I am going to cover Agile practices and namely meetings. Today Agile is one of the most popular methodology in project management, and its practices are appreciated by the developers and managers. Agile is a project management consists of small development cycles. Its focus on bringing continuous improvement in a project. Before moving forward to Agile best practices, let's see some of the generic practices to perform effective Agile project management. The Agile practices. The Agile practices using an iterative framework. The Agile methodology rely upon the interaction of self-organizing team of people who have the cross-functional skills to develop and test the working of a software. The most commonly used programming practices: test-driven development, code refactoring, continuous integration, simple code design and pair programming, contribute to the quality, flexibility and sustainability of the software. The list of Agile practices. These are journal Agile practices. Let's see. First Agile practice is iterative development. Agile iterative development, bigger projects are broken down into small chunks, and continuous tests are done in repetitive cycle. Through this cycle, Agile team get perspective on new features that needed to be added to the final product and contribute toward more flexible product development. Our next Agile practice is daily meetings. Regular meetings are a key to Agile implementation. These meetings should be short and concise. This practice is a great way to monitor the performance of the team and check if there are any obstacles in the way of product development. Next Agile practice is using professional tools. Using project management tool for the implementation of Agile methodology helps the team to better structure their workflow and improve team collaboration. For proper documentation and meetings management, a professional project management software can greatly reduce the effort it takes to manage your task otherwise. Our next Agile practice is set priorities. A product backlog is a list of prioritized tasks maintained by a product owner. Our next practice is maintain small release cycles. The product should be released in 2 to 4 weeks, with stakeholders giving feedback before proceedings. Next agile practice is use pair programming. In pair programming, two programmers work side by side at a single computer. This technique actually results in an identical degree of productivity. To separate programming, but deliver higher quality. Next agile practice is refactor. Rework code regularly to achieve the same result with greater efficiency and clarity. Next agile practice is test-driven development. Code the unit test first to keep the project on task throughout. Test-driven development as an agile best practice also produces greater employee engagement since it transforms testing from a boring grid to a coding challenge. Now coming toward the practice of popular agile methodology. Agile best practice is Scrum project management. Scrum is considered to be a dominant agile framework. 58% of the organization implement Scrum project management for their product development. 18% of organizations use Scrum project management in combination with other frameworks. Some agile practices for Scrum implementation are creating a product backlog and product vision together. Product backlog is an ordered list of items that are required to be added to the product development. A good practice for Scrum implementation is to create the product backlog and product vision together so that both the development team stakeholders are on the same page. Next we see burn down charts. Burn down chart is a great way for monitoring the progress. Charts graphically show the work that has been done and the total work remaining against the time. Burn down chart is a useful tool to inform the team about the project scope and identify the risk associated with undelivered work. Our next point is setting communication guidelines for teams. Uninterpreted communication is a key for Scrum framework and can become a bottleneck if not tackled efficiently. An effective way to ensure communication: formulate communication strategy with all the essential guidelines for teams. Scrum project management have next point is practicing stand-ups. Practicing stand-up, also known as daily Scrum. Stand-up are short meetings held with the team member on daily basis. These meetings are typically for maximum 15 minutes to keep their duration. Agile best practices. Next practice is Kanban project management. Kanban method was developed to control the demand and supply of material in production line. For successful implementation, the following best practice can be adopted. Visualizing workflow. Visualizing workflow in the form of boards showing the progress status of each task. Visualizing workflow is an easy way to keep track of tasks. Our next point is continuous feedback. Continuous feedback from team member is critical in order to understand how the team is going along with the process. This feedback also helps in identify any hurdle that might be occurring in product development cycle. Continuous feedback also reflecting on what need improvement. Kanban project management have next point is focusing on flow. Monitoring the flow of work item, assist the team. Focusing on flow, giving them an idea how quickly they need to move along with the process. This flow also facilitates the team in understanding the speed and smoothness of delivery. Here we have a next question. Why using agile development practices? The emergence and growing adoption of agile, the more traditional project management methods. Companies are now able to take timely measures and bring things under control should their original plans. The objectives of agile development are improve the quality of deliverables, frequent change, provide accurate estimates, and spend less time. Also better control over the project. Agile provide teams with opportunities. These opportunities learn lesson from the problem faced. Experiment with problem solving techniques. Figure out what works best for them, their strategy, and work toward their implementation. In next slide, we start up our next topic. Our next topic is namely meetings. In namely meeting, we see first Scrum meetings. This event is a daily short morning meeting arranged usually by a product manager or product owner. Scrum meeting takes 10 to 15 minutes and require the presence of Scrum Master and whole team. Scrum meeting has three main issues. First issue is to remember what was done yesterday. Second issue is to define the current goals. And third issue is to reveal any obstacle. We see next namely meeting is sprint demo meetings. This kind of meetings is arranged when you are ready with functionality and it's time to explain how it works to the client. It is important because the customer can confirm they accept all features. They were made in accordance with their expectations and requirements. Our next namely meeting is retrospective meetings. This is about the meeting of the final iterative development. It is recommended to all the team members to attend this meeting. In these meetings, customer may also participate. Here, possibilities of improvement, the quality of work, tool used. Also discuss improvement session of the product. So here we wind up today our lecture. Today we learn about agile practices, journal practices and best practices. Also discuss namely meetings. In namely meeting we discuss Scrum meetings, sprint demo meetings and retrospective meetings. So I hope you understood that all lecture. Thank you.